Cozy 1-bedroom and 1-bath condo. This turnkey condo has been upgraded with crown molding tile throughout the unit. A tiled bathroom with walk-in shower and 2 bedroom closets, a large pantry off the kitchen. Also, hurricane-proof windows and sliding doors. There is a closed-in lanai or can be used as a second bedroom. Patio is located in the back of the unit. This 55 and older community is located east of 95 in High Point West. The community has 4 pools and clubhouses, very active and social. Close to shopping, entertainment, and beach.